You want to grow your money, right? Everyone does, but here's the thing. Money doesn't speak just one language. It's a global conversation. What happens in China impacts your 401k, European interest rates? Yeah, they can affect your mortgage. That's why you gotta think big. Think global. The best investors, they're not just looking at their backyard, they're watching the whole world. So how do we tap into this global money mindset? Listen to the pros. Guys like Tom Lee, the eternal optimist, always spotting opportunities. Or Howard Marks, the king of risk assessment, teaching us to be cautious when others are greedy. These aren't just talking heads. These are master investors with decades of experience. They've seen it all, booms, busts, you name it. Let's get real. What can we actually learn from these bigwigs? Take stocks. You think buying a share is just owning a tiny piece of a company? Think bigger. It's about understanding global trends. Like when China was booming, commodity stocks soared. Why? They were building cities like crazy, needing tons of raw materials. See? Global thinking. And bonds? They're supposed to be the safe investment, right? Not so fast. Remember when everyone thought Greek bonds were super safe? Then bam! The Greek debt crisis hit. What's the lesson? Don't just blindly trust ratings. Look at the bigger picture. The country's economy, their debt levels, the whole shebang. Ever notice how the stock market jumps around after a big news event? That's global money talking. Remember when oil prices went haywire because of that conflict in the Middle East? Suddenly, energy stocks were all the rage. The world is interconnected. Understanding the news, especially the global stuff, can give you a huge advantage. Now here's the kicker. Even the smartest investors don't always agree. And that's actually a good thing. Listening to different perspectives helps you see the full picture. One guy might be bullish on tech, another bearish on real estate. By weighing the arguments, you make a smarter decision. It's kind of like having a financial advisory board right in your pocket. So, how does all this help you, the everyday investor? Simple knowledge is power. The more you understand global money talk, the better you become at spotting opportunities. Remember those booming commodity stocks? Managing risk, no more blind faith in so-called safe investments. And making informed decisions, you're not just following the herd. You become a savvier, more confident investor. But where do you find all this global money wisdom? That's where Global Money Talk comes in. We bring you insights from the best investors worldwide, their strategies, their analysis, their predictions. It's honestly like having a front row seat to the global money conversation. No jargon, no complexity, just pure actionable insights. Look, investing isn't just about picking stocks or bonds. It's about investing in yourself, learning, growing, and understanding the forces shaping the global economy. That's how you build real wealth. So join us at Global Money Talk. Let's decode the world of finance, one conversation at a time.